Escape the summer heat with a sunset picnic by the lake. El Dorado Nature Center presents a toe-tapping series of summer concerts in their new amphitheater. Pack an earth-friendly picnic dinner along with a lawn chair or blanket and bring your family and friends out for an evening of local music. General admission opens up at 6:30 p.m. and the concerts begin at 7 p.m. Get more information about this and many other great summer events at 100daysofsummer.org.